My name is Vash, you're watching The General Explorer, and this is 24 Hours in Brighton. Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. As you can tell by the title, I'm heading to Brighton today to spend the whole day there making use of this last of this summer sun. Currently at Gatwick's airport station whilst I wait for the connecting train to Brighton. So I've never actually been Brighton before, despite the fact I can't get my words out. Despite the fact that it's about an hour and a half drive away from me. My friend lives around here, so I should be meeting up with her very soon, and hopefully she'll show me around all the best bits that there is to see. Also, whilst I'm here, let me show you something. I currently stood outside this pub which has a lot of musicians painted on it. For example, you can see John Lennon, Bob Marley, there's Prince all the way up there, Elvis Presley, and so many more. It's even Tupac and Biggie. Yeah. It's a really nice painting, and if you guys didn't know, there's loads of rainbow colour painting in the background, and that's because Brighton is known as the Pride capital of the UK. So obviously no trip to Brighton is complete without visiting the Brighton Pavilion. The pavilion was built in the 1800s and was inspired by Indian architecture. In fact, if you see the dome, it might remind you of the Taj Mahal. So we're walking down this street in Brighton. Brighton's full of loads of small cute streets like this. We're trying to find a vegan place to eat, as my friend has a vegan page. What's your page name again?
Vegan Munching.
Vegan Munching. I'll leave a link to it below. Check her out. Full of loads of fun vegan recipes which are super easy to make, aren't they?
Yeah. Have you tried any?
Not yet, but soon to try. So we stopped off in Lavash to get a spot of lunch. Tarmini got vegan kofta. I got falafel and baba ganoush. How's your kofta looking?
It's good. I'm just putting some chili sauce inside it.
Of course, us browns have to always get a chili sauce in. Yeah, hopefully it tastes as good as it looks. So those of you from London may recognise bikes similar to this called Santander cycles. These are bicycles you can just pay for and take them out. And behind them we have Brighton Dome. A bit more of that fine Indian architecture we saw earlier at the Brighton Pavilion. So we finally made it down to the beachfront, and obviously no trip to Brighton is complete without seeing Brighton Pier. Probably the most famous thing about Brighton. It's been burnt down on many occasions, but it still stands strong to this day. It's been around for about over 100 years now, and we're going to check it out right now. Also, how nice is the water today? Didn't expect this great weather in the middle of September. So obviously you can't come to Brighton and not spend a bit of time on the beach. It's a pebble beach in Brighton, if you didn't know, and I think the plan is we're going to chill for a bit here. We'll try and get the drone out. We found like a little quiet place, so hopefully there's no issues with the locals and other beachgoers. Brighton's actually quite busy today. It's a Tuesday today, so I thought it'd be a lot quieter, but it's actually pretty busy today. The pier itself was very busy, so I didn't want to do a lot of filming there when there's loads of people all around the place, but yeah, it's not too bad. Anyway, let's see if I can get any good drone shots. chilling on the beach right now. The last time I was on the beach was all the way back in February in Barbados. I know Brighton isn't quite the gold, sandy beaches you get there, but you know what? Given everything that's happened this year, I think this will do. It's just so good to sit back and relax and just enjoy the sea and see the sea and the waves coming in. Just really relaxing. Are you having a good time?
I am.
That's Tarmini, by the way, in case you guys thought I was talking to myself. Brighton isn't all beaches and seafronts and nice trendy little pubs and bars. It also has a lot of wild, like, green spaces, as you can see behind me. So right now I'm in Stanmere Park, I think. Stanmere Park, which is just nearby the South Downs. So hopefully go along, and apparently there's loads of there's loads of wildlife nearby, so hopefully I can see some of that as well. So I don't know if you guys can see properly in the background, but you can actually see Amex Arena, which is obviously the home stadium of Brighton and Hove Albion, who play in the Premier League, for those of you that are interested in football. Hopefully I can get higher up and get a better view of the stadium, but for now, check this out. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully I showed you guys a rough idea of what you can do when you have 24 hours to spend in Brighton. If you guys enjoy this, make sure you like and subscribe. I'm trying to do more videos of spending 24 hours in other cities around UK. Make sure you also check out my friend's vegan Instagram page, Vegan Munching. I'll leave the link in the description. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Oh, one final thing before I forget. If you do come Brighton, make sure you download the Brighton and Hove app, where you can get a bus pass. Sorry, that's my friend on the side. Where you can get a bus pass for the whole day. It's about £4 or £5 for an adult, so it's a whole day bus pass, and it just makes life so much easier when you're travelling around Brighton. But anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one.